When you start Steam VR, make sure to turn on this tracker first before anything else. If you turn on anything else before this, excluding the headset, it will not work. So you just have to restart Steam VR and then turn this thing on first. Right. Another thing about the tracker is you might need to adjust it a little bit so that it is actually upright. That's fine. And also I found that it works best if you have a tracker facing you. It just tracks the best that way, but it should be fine. Right, for the game, we have this menu here that you actually have to face to interact with. So if you're not facing it, you can't interact with it, so that you don't accidentally change volume sliders while playing and ear blast yourself. So you actually have to face it, which also goes more opaque. And then you can adjust the volume. I'm just going to keep it as this for now. Right. Then you have a square here. The square is the optimal distance to stand and then actually start playing. You might need to stand a bit closer or further away depending on your reach and if you feel like you're actually hitting it to the button. But you should have enough space both behind and in front of you. Alright, finally, to actually play this, you need to swipe in the direction of the, well, attacks. It's been called a banana before, so I'm going to call it a banana. So you need to swipe in the direction of a banana. So if you're coming straight at you like this, you want to swipe it down. You'll see now. And finally, you have health. So the lamps represent your health. You have 4 health. Every time you miss a note, you lose 1. And to regain a full 1, you need to hit 3 notes. And that's pretty much as deep as I'm gonna go. Alright, so I'm just gonna start, which you hold it in here for. And then let's go. Let's game. Do-do-do-do. Oh yeah, you also have a score at the back. So the number on the left is your actual score. Ooh. Oh my goodness, I actually lost. Alright, well this is a good time to show it. If you lose, you're gonna have to restart it entirely to rerun the game. Bada boom. Right. Anyways, we're seeing for score stuff. On the left is your actual score. The one in the middle at the top there is your streak, how many you've hit in a row. The one on the right is your accuracy. That accuracy changes every hit because it takes how many you've missed. This is how many you've hit. Like a live accuracy, I guess. Right, to demonstrate how lenient it is, you can't hit it wrong. Oh, depending on how wrong you hit it. And then when you end, you get fireworks. Ow. I don't think this will actually change anything. Whoa! Oh, there it is. So when you're actually done admiring the fireworks, you actually have to look at this end button so you don't actually end the game. But when you look at it, just hold the spear in, and the game's done.